Hey guys, Justin here with JKS Manufacturing, and I'm standing in front of a bunch of bump stop extensions. I'll be honest with you, these are the unsung heroes of any J-spec suspension system, and they don't get a whole lot of love. So let's just take a couple of minutes and talk about bump stop extensions, what makes ours so cool, why you want them in your JKS system, why you want them for your Jeep that doesn't have a JKS system. So let's get right into it. So bump stop extensions, what do we need them for? We just lifted our Jeep. Let's say 2.5, 3.5, 4.5 inches, whatever it is. We put the biggest set of tires we could find, and we go out and we hit the first big obstacle and rip the fender flares right off the stupid thing and rub the tires all over the place, damaging the treads and everything else because we didn't put bump stop extensions in. That's what these guys do. They work for a number of reasons. They work in conjunction with the shock. We never want a shock absorber to be a bump stop. Basically, we don't want to fully compress that shock and have all the weight of the Jeep being a part of that. We want to contact the bump stop first. So bump stop extension for that. We don't really want to compress springs too far. A lot of coil springs are not designed to be fully coil bound, meaning you literally pack the coils in there. It damages that spring material. Bump stop extension. For that, tire clearance. It is absolutely no fun, but maybe a little fun, to have tires self-clearance on a Jeep, meaning they just move body parts out of the way until they fit. Bump stop extensions. So bump stop extensions that we use in our J-spec suspension systems are specifically designed around that system, tuned for that system by the shock lengths and the tire sizes you want to run, and they're even customizable. So let's get into it. The set here I have, these are Philonic, we can call them plastic, whatever. I have smashed these every way imaginable. You can't break them. I could be standing here hitting them with a sledgehammer. They are triangulated, engineered, designed is the best way that my Jeep-loving guy can explain it. They won't break. These are for a 2.5-inch lift. They are perfect for that application. These are for the front. These are for the rear. These are going to allow a 35-inch tire on a JK or a JL. It's going to fit with our length of shock, meaning the shock is not going to bottom out before the bump stop does. The 35-inch tire isn't going to smash into the fender flares. That is what these are designed for. One cool feature with these, the rears are somewhat adjustable. This is what we do for a 35-inch tire. You can see the bolt holes here. I want to run a 37. No problem. Now it's a 3-inch bump stop extension. Bolts go through the side instead of through the top. Becomes a 2 or a 3-inch. Perfect for that 2.5-inch lift. Now, let's get into 3.5-inch and 4.5-inch lifts and some other things. We saw this. We saw this in the marketplace as something that might have been missing. We saw it even when we're installing our own lift kits. You know, if we don't install certain parts or we put 35s where 37s will fit or vice versa, we needed different bump stop heights. And we really wanted, you know, our customers to get that without paying extra for it. So when you buy a 3.5-inch J-spec suspension system, you get adjustable bump stop spacers. What I mean by that is they're custom tunable, okay? You never need a different height from one side to the other, but let's say you put a 3.5-inch kit on and you only put 35s on it. Well, then you only need 2-inch bump stop extension. If I put a 3-inch, I just lost an inch of up travel, and we just paid a lot of money for that suspension system. I kind of want all the wheel travel that comes with. Or maybe you put aftermarket fender flares on. You got a little bit of extra room. Now you don't need the 2-inch bump stop extension. You only need an inch. You only need a 1/4 or 1/2 inch. All infinitely tunable for your application. We do the same in the rear. Again, we got a 2-inch and 1/2-inch sections. We can make this thing into anything we want based on your combination. Really, really cool thing. One of my favorite things about the J-spec suspension system, what truly makes them custom to your application. Basically, when we're doing the install, I'm going to bolt the shock in place but leave the spring out, and I am going to put the tire on and I am going to set all the bump stop clearance that I need and put in exactly the size that I want for that Jeep. That way there, I got maximum wheel travel and articulation without any sacrifice or concerns of rubbing the tire into the fender. Of course, you can just throw the 3-inch one in there in 37s and it'll never hit anything, but why not get all the wheel travel? So for more information on J-spec suspension system, bump stops, or anything Jeep or Bronco related, stop by jksmfg.com. If you want to see the behind the scenes, the fun stuff, the wheeling, you know, some new product information, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at JKSMFG. Thank you for following along, and as always, shoot us your questions.